Hi, lesson one of week four. Another recap of what we've done to date. Always do your marking of attendance. Pause the video now and do that, please. Also, now that you're back, we need to check that you have submitted your homework. Remember, there's about 5 students who haven't done so. I think that is now closed, so the only way you can submit it is via email as an attachment. To do that, and I'll review it. Um, Also, we now go on to lesson six, and it's a very straightforward lesson. All what you need to do is open up this Word document, save it as to your Google Drive. Actually, no, it will be in your Google Drive already. So I repeat, you go to your Google Drive already. Have shared it with you, so that you'll be able to go through and do the six or seven, eight questions. It includes a video by the Amoeba Sisters. So if you want to stop and slow down that link, so that they do talk fast, don't they? And I'll be checking to see how you're progressing when you have done that in your Google Drive. Have a good day. It's nice and simple, isn't it? Cheers.